before we start, we have disclaimer that we are not hi Bitsy, we're not financial advisor. Also, we're not selling security token. Okay, and we're only promoting sorry, we are only promoting our membership, that allowing all our members to participate in our ecosystem. We can use all our services. So that's what we are. So DD Socialize is the holding company, User is the marketing company, and welcome guys to our user presentation. In the past, na-miss natin, marami tayong nami-miss na hindi natin na-recognize kasi first of all, I'm guilty of that. Kasi andito na nga ako sa US, na-miss ko rin. Dahil hindi tayo pinalaki I wish I say this all the time because this is true, right? Lahat kasi tayo, kahit sa US din, I'm going to tell you that truth, sa US, marami din mayaman na iba kasi hindi nila alam ang ganitong pagyaman. First, pinalaki tayo na, there's nothing wrong kasi we are education lover, yung Pilipinas. Most of the people in the Philippines are educated. It's just good. It's a good thing. Pero hindi tayo tinuruan kung paano kumita ng pera in other way, right? So, pinalaki tayo na always go to school, work hard, and then go to work. That's the only way. Yun na, hindi natin masisi ating mga parents kasi yun din ang alam nila. They only know how to educate, themselves and then go to work. So yan yung sinasabi sa atin. Go to school, study hard, and go to work, right? So ako, like Ate Dali said, I grew up in Germany. I went there in high school and nursing. And then I've been working actually at the age of 16. Can you imagine that? I already have my own bank book at the age of 16. I was working part-time in the big restaurant, during the weekend. And I was making more money than my mom, that she's a teacher in the Philippines. So I was really very, very independent at the age of 16. I have my own money, I have my own bank account. I do not ask money from my aunt, I'm very, very independent. So when I got married and I moved to the US, I was working hard for a couple of years, working in the hospital. That I need insurance for my children, and so I got stuck in the job because of the security of having insurance, security of have a paycheck every 2 weeks, right? And so that's what happened to me. And then one day I woke up, I said, this is crazy, Han. I don't want to one day regretted that why I didn't do anything. Just decide working. So I told my husband, I'm going to stop working. You're going to support me. I'm gonna open my own business. So I started opening the nursing agency. I partnered with my friend, and then after that I learned something na bakit ang mga tao super yaman ang mga trabaho lang dati, mga teacher lang, mga lang. So I learned a lot from my rich client. How they made their money. So I'm gonna give you a sample, right? Let's talk about this company right now that like Amazon. Amazon started when they're only selling digital book. Sa tabi ko yung babae nasa airplane ako. Nagbabasa sa ng libro. Sabi ko, ano yan? Sabi niya, oh, this is Amazon book. I bought it inside Amazon. I can read a book anytime I want kasi nasa loob ng kanyang iPad. So hindi ako muna kabili ng stocks ng Amazon at the beginning. Kung bumili ako kahit now, 501,000, it's worth million now. So the same thing with Netflix, right? Netflix, a movie na Netflix, nagtitinda sa dali ng stock ng $50 lang. Hindi ako bumili kasi hindi ko rin alam. But I was here. Everything that happened here, I'm here in the US. Hindi ako bumili. So ngayon ang worth ng Netflix is $650. So if I bought 501,000, it's worth million now. Again, it's too late for me, right? So, Facebook. Ang Facebook, dumating ako sa ginamit ko Facebook siguro after mga 4 years pa. I was very late kasi I was busy working for the money. Ang makikita na alam ko lang, ang tell you guys that the two things that really hindi mawala sa isip ko, yung isang pasyente ko na 85 years old, medyo ulani na, Jewish, super yaman. Pag may nag-pull out yung caregiver ko, pumapasok ko, ang first thing sabi sa akin ng umaga ng aming pasyente, sabi niya, Lori, paki-open ng TV. Gusto ko malaman kung nangyari sa Facebook ko. Pag in-open ko, sabi niya, oh my God, I'm multi-millionaire again today. Nabili ko ang Facebook ng beginning pa lang. Can you imagine that? So sabi ko, wow, I wish nakabili ako kahit 1,000 lang. Sabi ko, I would make million by now. dapat din ako nagtatrabaho. And then, one of my rich client, namatay ang asawa niya. Ang asawa yung nagbabayad ng kaninang sa nursing home pero sa private. Tsaka yung may sarili sang apartment doon. So, binabayad na sa apartment. Just pagpasok ko pa lang doon sa nursing home na yun, you have to pay $250,000. And then you have to pay $10,000 a month. Namamatay ang asawa niya. Sabi, kasi nag-private duty kami sa kanya. Sabi niya, Lori, nakikita mo ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ito kalaki yung mga stocks. Punong-puno mga stocks ng asawa niya. Kasi asawa dati nagtrabaho lang sa telephone company. Tapos titingnan ko yung mga pangalan, alam ko mga pangalan ng mga big companies, hindi ko alam kung how it works. So sabi ko sa kanya, I know Mary, this is all stocks and shares of the company, but I don't know how it works. And then tumawag sa pagkamanga sa bangko. Sinabi niya, I'm worried about my situation. Hindi ko alam maka-afford pa ako magbili magbayad ng $10,000 a month sa apartment na ito. Sabi ng bangko sa kanya, Mary, even if you spend $10,000 a day, sabi nga noon, you have plenty of money to live. Can you imagine that $10,000 a day? Sabi niya, you still have a lot of money. Hindi alam na ang worth pa ng pira niya doon. Millions of dollars. So, doon ko na na-realize, sabi ko, I need to learn how to make money like these people. So, that's why I when I stopped my nursing agency, because I was traveling too much, and it comes with that responsibility also. I make good money, but that responsibility, I stopped it because I start traveling for business, and thank God I got into the Bitcoin mining, right? Because I missed all that opportunity. But in 2018, I got into Bitcoin mining. That's when I realized ito pala sinasabi ng mga tao na because at that time I have machine that makes money for me every day, 24 hours, 7 days a week. So, and I also have a business that I run in 37 countries. Even during COVID time, when people losing job, I was making millions of dollars because all I do is doing some every day in 37 countries. And then money is like pouring like crazy, right? Millions of dollars. And that was the biggest, aha moment in my life. I never thought I could make that kind of money. And then, because when I first started, Bitcoin mining Bitcoin was only 6,000. 2 years later, it became 60,000, 70,000. At that time, I was already, my Bitcoin alone is mining $16,000 a day without me doing anything, right? So, can you imagine that is the really, truly financial freedom when you're making money 24 hours, 7 days a week na wala kang ginagawa. And then I have my business side. I was earning $50,000, $100,000 a week in a commission. It was really crazy. And then I have in my account, my husband account, my son account. The money was like crazy. So after that, sabi ko, ayoko na, I'm done. I don't want to do anything anymore because ang company namin tininda in 2022, ang aming CEO, nagkasakit. So we sold our company. So sabi ko, ayoko na, hindi na ako makakita pa ng company na mas maganda pa rito. So I'm not gonna, lahat ng mga company na, mga friend ko na offering me different companies, I say no to all of them. And then, hanggang dumating si Ushare, alam mo bang feeling ko nang nagsimula ko sa Bitcoin mining, parang naramdaman ko ulit dito sa Ushare. Sabi ko, wow. Kasi sabi ng CEO, Lori, my goal is to become the biggest big data market in the world, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Google. Noong ko na-realize, sabi ko, wow, malaki yung potential ng company na ito. Tapos nang nabanggit niya na the difference between us and Google, Facebook, sabi niya, I'm giving out 30% of shares to the people who are in the business or So, nanarili ko yun, sabi ko, wow, technology company and then social media platform ang magbibigay ng stocks and shares ng company. Doon pumasok sa isip ko, wow, this is really going to be big one day. Kasi alam ko, technology is big. Tapos yung social media is also big. Sabi ko, wow, this company has a lot of potential. Naramdaman ko naman ulit, naramdaman ko na nagsimula ako sa Bitcoin mining. Sabi ko, marami naman ako matulungan sa company na ito. I think I can help a lot of people again kasi this is the beginning. At the time, it just started in US. So actually, I was one of the pioneer in the US. Actually, to be honest, I didn't even realize there's already people in the US that nasa business na lang 4 years ago. Pero sila, mga Italian people, they're doing the business even though wala pa ang ano sa US, ano pa na sa Europe pa lang. They already got into the bumili sila ng mga token. So, nang dinala sa US na dito sa nagpa-register sa Security Exchange Commission, saka nagpa-register sa company, that's when they talk to me. Kaya actually, I'm just like one of the pioneer. So ngayon ko lang na-realize na ganyan palang power ng stocks and shares. So I'm gonna make it short in just a matter of 11 months. I know I bought some token, and I also do the business at the same time. Just a matter of 11 months, I accumulate 2.5 million worth of asset. And that I can tell you also, sa Pilipinas na yun, there's couple leaders here that they already own couple millions in assets. They already multi-millionaire in assets. So once we go public in Nasdaq, mga tao na ito magiging multi-millionaire. And I'm not surprised they're not going to be multi-millionaire not only in peso, but walang araw sa dollars kasi I know they are also keep going up in the rank, that when they reach with diamond, you also stockholders hold the company for life. So ayan ang pag-iiba natin sa ibang businesses. Kaya dito ako na-attract kasi marami ako mga business na ino-offer sa akin ng mga CEO. They want gusto yung mag-assign ako ng contract to market their company. Bibigyan ako ng shares, stocks ng company. And pero I turn it down kasi first of all, for mga product, I don't like product. I don't want to keep selling product. And then second, pag makikita ko mga company na hindi ko nagustuhan, I said no. Pero itong company din nakikita ko na sabi ko, wow, naman ko ang stocks and shares. Ito talaga nagpaano sa akin, nagpapa-motivate. Kasi kung sabi sa akin ng mga tao, Lori, during your business year, marami akong mga leaders na they're number one other company. They're making $10,000, $20,000 a month and they're excited about it. Ako naman, di ako na-excited because I will make $10,000, $20,000 a month. Maybe for a lot of people, it's a lot of money. Pero when you used to make that kind of money in a day, parang hindi ka na-excite. Kaya sabi ko, no, thank you for thinking of me. But I'm gonna stop doing business. I'm done. So that's why I got into additional business, okay? So this is very important. The reason why I'm talking about this because dito tayo papunta ang ating company. Ngayon, ang Bitcoin mining ko is over. Kahit na mag-Bitcoin mining ngayon is very expensive. Hindi na profitable. Pero ngayon, I'm so happy na nakapasok ko sa company na ito na I'm doing mining again. But this time, mining artificial intelligence and mining data. So this is going to be bigger than Bitcoin. That's why I'm very, I emphasize this kind because I want you guys to understand what kind of business we're in. So with AI, we own our own artificial intelligence. Sabi nilang AI daw is like the beginning of electric, the beginning of internet, 3 times bigger and a lot faster. So lahat ng pinagsasabi ko sa inyo sa nakaraan na na-miss natin, don't worry about it. If you miss all of them, definitely, hindi ka maka-afford mag-miss ng ating artificial intelligence. How to make money, you cannot afford it. And ito hindi na ito future. This is already present. Why? Because right now, %95 of all the companies and businesses are using AI. From the home automation, manufacturing, automotive, malang araw, ang Tesla magdadrive na walang tao. Only artificial intelligence magdadrive. Sa hospital, nag-operate, mga robot na. Marami na. Even before when I was working in hospital, robot na nag-opera. Sa mga stores namin dito, especially sa US, lagi nilang automated, scan mo lang, wala ng tao minsan. So this is now the future. Hindi na talaga ang future natin. Hindi na talaga future present na. So lahat yan ay natin na nakikita natin na nagbabago na sa mundo. Ang question lang, papaiwan ba tayo o sasalit na rin tayo? Tulad ng sinasabi ng TPB, if you're not in the artificial intelligence, you're not intelligent, maiiwanan ka. It really is gonna be very, very hard because a lot of people na nawala ng trabaho through AI is a bad thing. Pero ang good thing naman, kung nag-participate ka sa the biggest market in the world, panalo ka rin. So AI now is to $638 billion, and in a couple years, it's going to be $2.6 trillion. So dalawa lang pagpilian natin. Sasali ba tayo ngayon o magpapaiwan ulit? Kung naiwanan natin sa the past, definitely ito, hindi tayo maka-afford magpaiwan kasi this is bigger than among all of them combined. Okay? So, can you imagine that right now you are pioneer? All of us here right now in some pioneer. Kasi can you imagine that if I'm number one in the whole US, Lani and BB and other leaders in the Philippines, they're also number one, right? now in the Philippines. So everybody here in the Zoom right now is a pioneer. Everybody has equal opportunity. Kung saan kayo saan nyo gustong pupunta sa isang company na you are a part owner, ano ka, yung may-ari ka, o you're gonna build a company na hindi ka may-ari, pinapayaman mo ibang tao. So we are all pioneer in this business, and we also not only pioneer but also co-owner. We own a piece of the company. So this is actually the video for 1 minute about how Facebook, WhatsApp make money, and we can do the same thing.
We live in a rapidly changing world. The internet, social networks, online banking, and artificial intelligence are all tools that we cannot do without today. Every time you use the internet, you acquire information about your tastes and preferences. Companies pay billions of dollars to get your data, and today they pay Facebook, Google, WhatsApp. But you are the ones generating that data and buying their products, right? What would it be like if you could make money from it all? That and much more is the opportunity that DT Socialize Holding offers you. A company that has been engaged in the development of fintech, big data, and artificial intelligence technologies for over 3 years. DT Socialize Holding has created a whole ecosystem of services. The DTS Money, one of the first fintech platforms in the world where you can manage your fiat and crypto funds as well, with cards to spend them. The UUP Pro, a blockchain messaging app that respects your privacy, where you can chat, call, and video call with your friends. You MetaWorld, a metaverse with lots of features inside. Today, you can be part of it easily using the services and participating in a new concept of economy, a new concept of profit. That is why DT Socialize Holding has created the community that every online user will want to join. Become part of the future now.
That's IO's official website, and you can go there if you wanna learn more about the company. So, DT Socialize Holding is our company, right? But we also have users, our marketing company. So under the DT Socialize, we also a public company. We have 21 companies that is belong to DT Socialize, and later on we're going to talk about the 6 major technology that we just developed. And beside all this company here, actually we just partner with the 2 big investment company in the US, and I tell you guys that 2 companies, that's a public company already. One we go to NASDAQ, that's gonna help us a lot, because now we are partnering with the giant companies and investment company, and they are investing in our company because they believe in our project, they believe in our technology. Can you imagine that? Our company is soaring like crazy. And then doon lang masasabi ko sa inyo, our company is not taya-taya. We're not gonna make money like other people, scammers out there that promise this and that every day. But we are here to stay for a long time. I just look at Stefano. At the age of 26, already multi-millionaire. His goal is to become a billionaire, not millionaire. So I look at him, and even me myself, my life is already secured in this company, because I'm reward couple million, and then every year I'll be making more million. Even if I'm not around, my kids are still gonna be inheriting the money that I make, that is still millions of dollars. So just being in the company for over a year and secure for life, and that is what I'm looking for. Because I don't want to build a company that I'm just gonna keep building and then nawawala, and then at the end of the day, mga anak ko walang mamana. So this is a company that is gonna make you wealthy. We are building wealth. We're creating wealth for our children and generation to come. This is not something that you just built overnight, and then lahat ng kayamanan dito sa US, lahat ng yumaman hindi nangyari overnight. I'm gonna give you example, si Warren Buffett. he was only 60, he was already 60 years old when nag-create siya ng first million niya. Now he's about 103 billion dollars worth of asset, and he's now over 90 years old. So that's why I'm excited about our company, because it gives us opportunity to become wealthy, because when the whole world is using our application, we get paid. But sino lahat dito ang behind this? Behind this is Daniel Marinelli, our CEO and founder, a great visionary guy. Nag-dinner kayo sa Italy, sabi ko sa kanya, Sir Marinelli, paano mo ito lahat na nagawa, ang ideas, paano ka nagkaroon na mag-create na itong mga application? Sabi niya, Lori, when I lie down in my bed, 12 o'clock midnight, bigla na nagpapapap sa mind ko mga ideas. Tapos sabi niya, hindi ako makaantay na pagkagising ko. I-share ko sa mga leaders ko, nasabi ko sa nila na I want to create this, I want to make this reality. So lahat ito ng mga sinasabi, papag-usapan natin mamaya, lahat ng mga application, mga bago ito. Kaya nga, we are just in the beginning. So we're going to talk about it in a minute. Ang pinakamaganda lang sa kay Marinelli, Sir Marinelli, he wants to hire the best people behind the scene in the company. Gusto niya lahat ng mga tao, ng mga board member, lahat ng mga tao, ng mga chief officer, they are all highly skilled people and the best people. So we're going to start with Samir Salimanog, 20 years of experience in World Bank. You know, you cannot work in a World Bank as a strategy advisor kung hindi ka magaling. He lives in Washington, D.C. Samir Mastaki, nagkatrabaho sa investment banker sa Wall Street. Again, Wall Street is number one stock exchange in the world. Hindi kami trabaho doon as a banker pag hindi mahawak ay millions or billions of assets. Si Giovanni Sana, Chief Financial Officer, Corporate Finance and FinTech. And again, very, very experienced when it comes to stock exchange. So that's the reason why we are also in the London Stock Exchange. So lahat ng itong mga tao na ito, highly skilled people with security license. So gusto natin tingnan mo, kung sila nga very successful na security license, hindi tayo din piling pumasok sa isang company na pipitsugin or isang company na hindi legit kasi mawala ang kanilang license. Okay, so when I became one of the board member after a year in the business, when I say thank you to Sir Marinelli, because sabi ko sa kanya, ito ang the biggest Christmas present that I ever had in my entire life, being a board member of a multi-billion company. Ang sagot sa akin ni Mr. Marinelli, sabi niya, Lori, in my board member, I only want the best people. The people who believe in the project and the people who contribute to the growth of our company. And you are the best, Merry Christmas. So I am very honored to be called the best because he only wants the best people in his company. So that's why a lot of people here, leaders here, that working hard right now, I see this over again. I said, work 2 to 3 years hard. You will gain financial freedom for life. And I already know a couple of people here. I can already tell you, you're going to be a multimillionaire because they're working hard. They're very consistent. They believe in the company and they're working hard. And that's all you need to do. Wala namang kayamanan na nabibuild overnight. At least mga scammers na papasok kung mamay mamawala. But unfortunately, scammers keep going to the Philippines. It's just normal because a lot of people are desperate. They want quick money. And sometimes even they know it's a scammers, they still do it. Unfortunate for me, for the last year and a half, siguro mga 7 companies na nag-offer sa akin to do the business and I didn't do it. And they all already shut down. That's why I don't believe in the things that hindi ko alam kung sinong CEO, hindi ko alam sinong vice president, hindi ko alam kung sinong mga board member. I don't want to get into the company because for the last 7 years, 8 years, I've been working only directly with the CEO. I don't want to work with anybody if I don't work with the CEO because I don't have to do it. But that's my qualification. If I don't know the CEO, I don't know the company, I don't know the people behind it, I don't want to work. I don't want to put my time and energy because no amount of money can put me in prison building a company, become the number one, and then later on they run away, and then ako lang maiwan. And then, so for me, it's not worth it. This is a public company. Sir Marin, they only own 52% of the company. 48 belong to you and me because it's a public company really. That's what I love about this company. Nobody can go after you because we are a public company. We already owned by public. So these 2 gentlemen, also the reason why we have the best artificial intelligence in the world. Sebastiano Galacio, 25 years experience in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And also Stefano Mancuso, 25 years in IT experience and 10 years of experience in artificial intelligence. These two gentlemen, we met them in person, very, very excited about the project of Maya. And even Sebastiano Galacci used to work for Microsoft. 25 years working Microsoft is the most valuable employee of Microsoft. And he also won an award as in different award in category it comes to artificial intelligence. So these people, you can Google them. They are in Facebook. So they are my friends in Messenger and Facebook. So you can Google them. You can their name and everything, and you know who they are. We're also going to London Stock Exchange and Euronext. That can happen anytime. We just waiting for confirmation, and then we can ring the bell. And also Nasdaq, we already applied the application in Nasdaq. We might go to Nasdaq this year. Can you imagine that, guys? Once our company goes to Nasdaq, that's over for all of us. We have the biggest chance to become multimillionaire one day because our company is now going to be worth not only right now it's worth 4 billion, but with all the application that we have and all these big companies that joining our business ventures and also investing a lot of money in our company, I wouldn't be surprised in 2 to 5 years we're gonna reach hundreds of billions of dollars. And of course, when we reach hundred billions of dollars, most of us here is gonna be millionaires, multimillionaires in peso. I know that, but some of them could be millionaires in dollars. And this is our we have no more than 1 million users around the world. And this is all our major project right now that we just launched. DTS Money has been around for a couple of years actually in Europe. I know that Ara is here. Ara is new in Europe, but she already have a card that you can use as a crypto credit card. You can go and travel around the world. If you want to pay with Bitcoin, you can use this as a crypto credit card. You can also use it as a regular ATM that you can withdraw in an ATM machine and you can withdraw money, right? So this is just one of our product that is going to be big. Actually, when Stefano told me one day, he said, Lori, I don't want to become a multimillionaire. I am already a multimillionaire. I want to become a billionaire. I want to earn $1 million a month. And I was like, I could not comprehend it. I said, how this guy can make $100 million, $1 million a month? Now I see, he said, Lori, just banking system alone, I can make $1 million a month. Now I know what he's talking about because when people are banking in our bank, if it's like $100 million, all the money that it is, he has a lot of friends that put in 1 million, 2 million, they're earning interest every week, 2% a week, 20% a year, right? So just by doing that, this also making money. Can you imagine that if all the people banking like goes to 100 million, if Stefano only get 1% of that because he's also one of the highest rank, is Black Diamond. That 100 million, 1% of that is 1 million. That's what he's talking about. And then now I really realized, I said, wow, what Stefano is talking is really doable. It's reality. Just alone in banking system, he can make millions of dollars. So that's why I understand now why he's talking about becoming a billionaire. And I won't be surprised if Stefano in a couple years become billionaire. Nova VPN and the hackers application also have that. World, our own Facebook, that we can travel around the world without leaving our house, and also we can advertise our business inside the World. We can go shopping inside the World. We can meet people inside the World. It's going to be different than anything we had in the past. And the good thing is, tayo lahat ito pioneer. When the whole world is using our World as income, kasi we own the piece of the company. Also, UAPO Anonymous, pag wala pa kayo, download uaproanonymous.com. If you don't know how to do it, ask the person who invited you, let them help you sign up and also, sign up for our UAPRO. And also Maya, our own artificial intelligence. If you don't have it, please download mymaya.ai. Again, let your whoever sponsor you help you download the Maya. We also have our own apps already in App Store. So DTS Swaps is also new. We own our own crypto wallet exchange. Now, the good news is this is now available all over the world. Can you imagine that, guys? Binance is worth how many billions of dollars? This is only one of our products. This is like Binance. Like we own our own coin.ph and also our Binance, our Coinbase. This is available all over the world. And the good part about the DTS swap, when you are a member that already like $1,000 in the past, you can earn up to 24% interest. It comes to I believe USDC. When you leave your USDC inside the DT swap, because you in the past you bought $1,000 worth of Maya token or UTIC token, and me I bought 24,000. I bought a couple of $24,000 worth of package. I can earn 24% if I leave my USDC inside the DD swap. And also DD swap now we can use as our own wallet if we want to get paid. But this is the replacement later on if we have some issues in Binance. I know some people still have Binance account. It's also okay, but the reason why later on we want to promote our own DT swap because we get paid when no one world is using it. So all these six big major technology right now that the company just came out, we develop it. We develop it. We're not a third party. Can you imagine that all of us here right now in the Zoom, we participate in the income, not only the income, but our children' future is also bright because this company is not going to stay as a 4 billion company. In 2 to 5 years, it's going to be a 100 billion company. So lahat ng ating mga kinikita, lahat ng ating mga especially people who are doing the business, we get paid 70% in cash, 30% in stocks. Para tayong discipline ng company na we leave some of the money for our children's future. And ang pagkaiba pa natin, like I own a lot of people here, we own UTIC token. Right now, we could just start using our UTIC token by buying you cannot buy the Nova VPN anti-hackers application without using our UTIC token. The only thing you can do it, you buy from the stock exchange that we have. I think we're in the 3 exchanges right now that you can buy the UTIC token if they want to use our services. And also, you with the world, if you wanna use advertise your companies or anything that you want to do inside you with the world, pag hindi ka member, you need to buy the token to participate in the Yumito world. And the same thing with our Maya. If you want Maya to be your personal assistant, you need to buy the membership. You have to use the token. So the token of us, that's right now, we bought it for 25 cents. It's now worth $1. It's not going to stay $1. It's going to be $2, $3, $4, $5 in the future. And the good part is, like me, I own $600,000 worth of UTIC token. The company gave out also extra reward for us because we're holding it before they go to on the stock exchange. My token now is worth over 2 million. And if I don't touch it, I just leave it there. Every year, 30% of the income of the UTIC token is going back to all of us who owns token. And so we have passive income dividend coming from the company every year. This is the most exciting part because by me holding my token, I can also earn a couple $100,000 in dividend every year. And it's the same thing with our Maya, right? So this is the 6 major company right now that we have our own technology that we develop that we can earn and participate in the income, the revenue, and also not only now but also in the future to come. Can you imagine that, guys? I'm going to tell you how big this company is going to be in 2 to 5 years. This is a WhatsApp, binili ng Facebook in 2013. 250,000 lang ang gumagamit ng WhatsApp. Pero binili ng Facebook ng $19 billion. Today, WhatsApp is worth $105 billion. And this is only one of our product, right? This is crazy. So that's why I truly believe that in 2 to 5 years, we're going to hit $100 billion company. And for all of us that here, ang naniniwala, napakaswerte. Ang maiwanan, dahil nakaintindi, maging kawawa, they gonna look back and say, my goodness, I did not understand about this company. I could be one of the multi-millionaire right now. But because I did not understand it, I did not pay attention, I missed it. So the thing that you have to do in this company, you need to learn our product, you need to learn our company, and be 100% sold out. Because if you are only 10% doubt, you have doubt in this company because you don't understand it, that will prevent you from making money. And then kasi ang mga tao na discern nila, pag ikaw mismo hindi ka sold out sa company, you are like, I hate to see this word, right? I know who's the true leader in this company because every Zoom, they're always in the Zoom, they never miss it. And people, there's some leaders that they are hit and miss. You're lucky if they're there in a week. You're lucky if they are there next month. They just come to the Zoom whenever they feel like it, and they don't learn the business. So they're just ang tawag ko sa kanila mga hit and miss. They're like the hit and miss leaders. And there's leaders that they only put 30-50% sa company because I don't know what the rest are doing. So you cannot put 20-50% in a company and expect 100% result. I do 100%, even more in the company. That's why I have big result because I am 100% committed to the company. Hindi ako nagpe-pursue kahit ano pang offer sa akin ibang CEO na to go and market their company. Make me, I don't do it. This is my, to be honest with you, this is my last company I'm going to do. I have a lot of assets in other businesses. When I retired in User, I'm a retired user for life. I won't be retired in User because I'm a board member. I'm also executive director, so I'm going to be here for the rest of my life, of course. And my children is going to inherit the money that I make. So this is my last company. I do have, and I believe in multiple stream of income. That's why my money I make in User, I invested it in another company that just also earn money for me as a passive income, as an asset, but it's not networking company. I can only promote one networking company because what is the sense of promoting 2-3 companies and then walang success? I rather spend my time in one company, put all my energy, and become multi-millionaire, and then maybe billionaire in the future. But I cannot do 2-3 companies. I can't do it. So maybe you guys are good. Maybe you are good. 2-3 companies, more power. Good luck to it. But I can't do it because I noticed a lot of people doing so many things but no success. So I rather do one thing and they're successful at it. This is Armaya. The difference in Armaya, we have advanced search. Also, we have calendar that attached our calendar attached to Maya that we can tell Maya to schedule a meeting for us or anything. So, but also we have personal profile. Maya is gathering information about us. They know who our family is, or anybody that we were in contact. Maya also gathering information. We have view file that we can download our document. Nobody can see it, or nobody can copy it or anything because we're the only one holding the key with the password. And also, if anybody here is using ChatGPT, I'm sure a couple people here that I know here are using ChatGPT. Just educate you a little bit what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is number one artificial intelligence right now. And why they are number one? Because they started 2020. They started in 2020 and 2021. It already worth $14.9 billion. Can you imagine that just in a matter of 1 year? And in 2 years, their valuation is $29 billion. And today, ChatGPT is evaluation is $90 to $100 billion. Can you imagine that? The only computation of ChatGPT is Maya, our own artificial intelligence that just started 4 months ago. Can you imagine that our Maya is live and active, and ChatGPT stopped acquiring data a year ago? So let's compare what is ChatGPT, what kind of ocean they have versus our Maya. So if people talk to you, what is how is ChatGPT compared to Maya, right? So in the telephone giant, there's only two big companies that are competing. Number one is Apple. So ChatGPT is like Apple, and then Maya is like Samsung because we're new. ChatGPT has been around for almost 4 years. Maya just started. Okay, so this is general AI. ChatGPT has general AI, and Maya has customized AI. And ChatGPT no personal profile graph, and Maya has personal profile graph that gather information about us. You have user data used for ad training, no reverse KDB. Maya have a data privacy, no ad training with user data, reverse ADB. ChatGPT has no custom interface on application, cars, and smart TV. We have customized interface on apps, cars, and smart TV. So our Maya, we can attach it to smart TV and also our CarPlay. I can tell Maya, hey Maya, play my favorite songs, and Maya will do it for me. So I cannot wait when the whole world is using our Maya in a smart TV or CarPlay. Guys, our valuation is going to be on the roof, and we all gonna be taken care of because we are in the beginning. We own a piece of Maya. That's the reason why I love about this company. Because we're in the beginning of Facebook, beginning of WhatsApp, beginning of Messenger. We're in the beginning. This is one of the biggest project of the company, and I think this is probably going to be the last biggest project of the company because I cannot find any more technology that's going to be bigger than artificial intelligence. Also, in the JustPT, no U drive, but only allows file uploading. But we have U drive secure storage for files, images, and URLs. And ChatGPT has GPS manages only document but not URLs. Share that access is only available to subscribers and not to everyone. But we have UNO turns files, images, and URLs into interactive chat by making them available through a public link to chats. And also, no integration with calendar. And we have integration to calendar. No media card, we have exportable media cards, no possibility to upload files from email, and we can upload files from email via your drive function. So we have a lot of functions that ChatGPT don't have it, and that's the reason why in San Jose, California, there were so many artificial intelligence being nominated, and Google, Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT, they were there, but our Maya artificial intelligence won the award as the #1 artificial intelligence in the world because of the things that we have, the option that we have that other AI don't have it. So we also have Magic, and also you guys. So lahat ng sinasabi ko, lahat ng so far explain about our company, where we are now and where we're going, where we're heading in the future. So ang question natin ngayon lahat, how can we make money, right? How can we make money with all this big technology? So if you guys, have you ever heard of computational unit? And let's educate ourselves a little bit about what is computational unit, okay? So CPU plus GPU plus software equals computational unit. So what is computational unit? Yung kung sa kotse pa, ang kotse ay hindi pwedeng umandar pag walang gasoline. So si computational unit parang gasoline ng kotse. So ang computational unit, yan din ang kailangan ng artificial intelligence para gumana. Pag walang computational unit, hindi gagana ang ating artificial intelligence. So this is how it works. Ang computational unit is divided into Maya micro units. Andito tayo pwede makapag-rent ng micro unit good for 6 years. So this is micro unit. And we can rent this for 6 years. We can rent our micro unit that allowing us to make passive income either daily, but we can withdraw the money monthly, every 3 months or 6 months. And right now, our micro unit is only $10. Remember, guys, when I was talking about my Bitcoin mining, this is like Bitcoin mining all over again. But this time we're mining data, artificial intelligence data, and I think this one is going to be bigger than Bitcoin mining. Alam mo kung bakit wala itong limit ang ating pag-mining. Ang Bitcoin, there's only limited Bitcoin you can mine a day kasi they're trying to make it last for 120 years from now, mining. The last Bitcoin to be mined is 120 years from now. Sa atin, nalala ko noon in the past, ang mga tao palagi kami nag-aantay ng machine kasi it's always sold out. Sometimes people have to wait for 2 months but they don't care because they know they want it. So sa atin naman dito, walang mag-aantay ng 2 months. Anybody can buy microunit every single day. You can buy as many as you want. You can buy 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Walang makapagpigil sa iyo. Kasi ang ating microunit, the more people are renting our microunit, the more people are using our Maya artificial intelligence, the valuation of the company keep going up, the more money you and I make. So if you guys know, heard about NVIDIA, I'm very, very amazed. Ang NVIDIA right now is they're doing the same thing what we're doing. They're selling data, they're selling GPU, and they are already worth almost $1 trillion. Started in 1993. So it's really crazy. I cannot believe that we are also in this market. No, akala ko ang Bitcoin mining ko is over. But of course, I miss the money. But now it's not even profitable. I won't even do it now because Bitcoin now is so high and electricity is very expensive. But now I feel like I'm mining Bitcoin again. But this time it's like in the beginning. I'm mining artificial intelligence micro unit. So I'm very excited about this. I know that a lot of people probably don't have any idea that how powerful is this. But I can tell you guys, when I first started Bitcoin mining, the machine was only 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, and then 4 years later it became $100,000. So this micro unit that's worth $10 right now is not going to stay $10. Maybe in a couple months it's going to be $20, $30, and I'm telling you, if you buy now, your income is going to be double, triple, quadruple in the future. This is how it works. We can receive royalty for 6 years, and depends on how much money we're buying the micro unit. Also, we can withdraw it every monthly, 3 months, or 6 months. So this is how it works. You buy $20 all the way to 500, you can withdraw your profit every 6 months. If you buy from 1,000 to 10,000, you can withdraw your profit um, every 3 months. If you want to buy 15,000 to 20,000, you can withdraw your money monthly. So about $20,000, like I can withdraw my money every month. So right now we're having promo, all this extra here, only until end of this month. So if you don't have in micro unit yet, please put the orders before it's too late. You have until before July 10 to make payment. If you buy 1,000, you have extra five micro unit, it's 5%. If you have 3,000, you have extra 8% with 24 micro unit extra. If you buy 5,000, you have 10% extra micro unit. It's like 50 micro unit. If you have 10,000, you have 50%. That is 150 micro unit. Plus, you get one NFT micro unit. So what is NFT micro unit? In the past, we also have NFT. Ours is that we have in the past we have NFT of the source code, the brain, the artificial intelligence. But this time, you get the NFT from micro unit. The more people are buying or renting our micro unit, the income of that is 30% goes back to the people who owns NFT. And right now, the company, I do believe, only offer 5,000 NFT for the people, first come, first serve. Once the 5,000 NFT is over, nobody can have any more NFT. It's like in the past when we have 10,000 NFT available to the whole world. So now nobody can buy it. The only they can buy NFT now is to the public, right? And the stock exchange. So the same thing here. Right now, because I bought 20,000, I own 2 microunit NFT that I also can participate in the income. So can you imagine that, guys? People who are in this business that been to UTIC token, you get 30% of the profit every year of UTIC token. We bought the NFT. We also participate in NFT, 30% profit, and then our one NFT, when the valuation of the company goes up to 1 billion, it's going to be worth 30,000, and then when it goes to 5 billion, it's going to be 103,000. So can you imagine that, guys? That's why I see this over and over again. All the people here that really understand the business, is going to be a multimillionaire in no time. It doesn't matter. I always tell some of my leaders, if you work hard in 1 to 2 years, and in 2 years' time, if you're not going to become multimillionaire, there's something wrong. There's something wrong. And it's true because a lot of people here, just a matter of less than a year, they already have an asset that's worth a couple million. And they're going to be even more multimillionaire when we go public in NASDAQ. So this is another, a lot of people doesn't understand the way we make money, but this is a rich man game. This is where people become wealthy and rich because of the way we make money. This is, we own stocks, shares of the company. Not only we're not responsible for income, but the whole world is responsible for income. So I really feel sorry for those people who doesn't understand it because they're going to miss the biggest thing that's happening in their entire life. And by the time they realize, because they're so busy running around looking for something that I don't know what they're looking for, but everything that I'm looking for is in this company already. Like I said, even though I used to make millions of dollars, I never thought in this company I can even make more. I remember Stephanie and Lori, I know you make a lot of money in another company. I know you make millions, and I can assure you, working this company in 3 to 4 years, you're going to be making more money than what you used to be. There'll be even more multimillionaire. And then now I know what he's talking about because just a matter of a year, I already have an asset of a couple millions in this company. I won't be surprised right now if I'm already worth $4 or $5 million. And that's because I believe in the company and I am putting 100% of my time here. That's why if I cannot make millions of dollars sa isang company, I'm not even interested. So we all have different goals. We have all different outlook in life. Maybe some people are just happy to make thousands of dollars a month. There's nothing wrong with it. Maybe some people want to make 10,000, 20,000. There's nothing wrong with it. But I joined this company not because I want to make $10,000 a month. My goal to this company is to make millions of dollars, and not only millions of dollars, but I want my kids to be taken care of even I'm not around. And being a board member of the company, I know my kids as a bright future already, and that's the reason why this is my last company. I won't be. I don't care if people say, "Well, Lord, you're gonna make billions or millions." Good luck for you guys, because I know you are in the delusional company that doesn't work. But I know where I'm going. I don't know where you're going, but I know where I'm going because my kids are already taken care of for the rest of their lives. But the only thing I can tell you, because we are a public company and we're going soon to NASDAQ, but your company that you're doing, I don't know where you're going. I know you're going somewhere, and probably in a couple of months, they're going to disappear. That's why Stephen always said, Lori, I stayed in this company for 7 years and never look at a company. Look at where I am now. So I look at Stefano. Sometimes I joke around. I said, Stefano, I want to be like you when I grow up, because 26 years old, multi-millionaire. He said, Laura, even if I stop working today, I'm still multi-millionaire for the rest of my life. My children, because I already built a company. I have over 30,000 members all over the world. I own millions of stocks in the company. And I'm also a board member that I own also millions of dollars every year. So can you imagine that 26 years old set for life? So now I realize, because of my asset, I also own a lot of stock, NFT and UTIC token. And I said, wow, I didn't realize that everything that Stephanie told me is happening to me now. And I said, even if I stop working today, I don't go anymore, I don't talk to anybody, I can still earn millions in this company. And I can still, because of my stocks and shares that I bought in the company, I can still earn millions of dollars every year. So that's why when people look at, when you guys are looking for stability in a company, look at Stefano and just look at me, right? Technically, I can retire now if I want to. I still make millions of dollars because of my asset. So that's the reason why this company, it's probably the rich man game, because people understand it, become wealthy. But people who doesn't understand it, they're going to miss it. And everything that I plan in life, that I'm one day I want to become wealthy, like this wealthy patient of mine. It's happening to me now, because I learned how to make money. I learned how to become very, very wealthy. So now it's happening to me because I learned. So now I'm teaching you guys. I'm teaching you, because when I travel all over Philippines, people 99% people, when I ask them, do you know how to make money, in stocks and shares? Everybody say, no, I don't know. Or we don't know, mom. So now I'm teaching you guys. So first we need to learn how to make money in a passive income by having micro unit. So by having micro unit, you also participating in the income of our Maya for 6 years. But of course, if you want to be part owner of the micro unit, you can buy $10,000. You can have an NFT that participate in the gross income and profit and dividend of the micro unit every year. But if you cannot afford $10,000, I have a good news to tell you, because some people, Muslim people here from the Philippines and also from Europe, like Ara in Amsterdam, you are allowed to buy Maya token. So Maya token, you can buy anywhere from $20 all the way to whatever you want, $20. But the sweet spot in this business, if you buy $300 worth of micro unit and $300 or $200 worth of my token, you can participate in all the ecosystem that we have, like our own forex trading. We have our own forex trading that right now it's already been proven that if you buy $1,000, if you trade $1,000, there's a facility for you to earn $250 in 45 days, which is almost 20%, right? So our EI is doing the trading for us, automated. It's not done manually. So EI is very conservative, but it's also hardly, you can hardly lose your money. And of course, in trading is there's always risk, like anything in life. But at least our EI is very conservative. They don't promise you a big return or anything, but is also very, very conservative, that you cannot lose your money easily like other trading platform. So by having $20 in micro unit or $20 in my token, you can participate. You can use our own Umita World for free. You can use our own Maya for free. You can also use our services for free because you own $20. Unfortunate for us here in the US and in Europe, we need to start with $3,000 to participate in all our ecosystem and forex trading and other things that the company we own, right? So $300 in the Philippines, $3,000 in US, and then also in Europe. So now the question is, saan nanggagaling ang ating income sa micro unit? So we're gonna start some users. Lahat ng gumagamit ng ating artificial intelligence. That's the reason why we have to keep using our own Maya. Kasi pag ginagamit natin ng ating Maya, company also getting paid, and the valuation keep going up. And also for sa mga tao na hindi pa sila members ng user, if they want to use Maya as their personal assistant, co-pilot, they have to buy the membership. This is also where our income coming from. And then from some other businesses that they do personalized services using our Maya, this is also our income coming from. And from the some company that doing using our Maya from projects and vertical domains, this is also where our income coming from. So this is three major things that we know we the income nanggagaling. Pero let's help our company by using our own Maya, because we also own the company. So every time you're using, have a practice every day. Just keep using Maya. Maya, in research, Maya, what is the meaning of this in our language, Maya? Every time you use Maya, our data keep going up, and also we also getting paid. So this is the example how the revenue works. This is only projection. With 500,000 users buying the subscription of our own micro unit, we get paid $15 million in 1 year. With 1 million users, 28.2 million. With 5 million users, $108 million. So this is how it works. Like for example, with 500,000 users, our income is 1 million. 30% goes back to us who are renting micro units. So that's $20,000 that is going to be dividing among us. So right now, that is like 2%. So this is how it works. Right now, from 100, you get paid $3 all the way to $20,600. But it is not going to stay like this, because my goal right now, if I earn my income in 1 month, especially me, I don't want to stay in the same income all the time. But because I own $20,000 worth of micro units, so I have a lot of micro units. If the micro units goes to $20, my income will double. Instead of earning $600 a month, it's going to be $1,600 a month. So when it goes to $30, it's going to be triple. But what I'm going to do is I want to keep compounding my income. I'm going to keep rebuying my my micro units, because our micro units is going to be here for a long time, maybe 10, 20 years or even longer. So I can imagine where we're going to be a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now. That $10 micro unit is probably going to worth $100. And I want my income not only $1,000 a month, but I want to make $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month in passive income. So this is how it works. The graph, they never go up and down, because we're not crypto that is volatile. We only keep going up, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Google. The more people using the application, the higher their valuation, the more money they make, right? Because they're collecting also data and selling the data. So the more they collect data, the more they sell. This is something with us. We're also making billions of dollars selling data, because our company is also collecting data, but we're not selling your information. We're only selling statistic data, but we also make billions of dollars in data. That's why our user as a marketing company, when they're burning, they created 100 million tokens, and they're burning 70 millions, and only 30 million left. I used to question the CEO. I said, Sir Marini, why are you burning 70 million tokens? Why can your company just keep it and then let the 30 million available to the public? And she said, Lauren, because I don't depend on the user. I already make billions of dollars selling data. So I want the UTIC token to go up the price and also create scarcity. That's why our token is not going to stay $1. It's going to be $2, $3, $4. So for those people who have patience and they understand the value of where you're going, because they're going to use the token as a form of payment, that token is going to worth a lot of money. And because can you imagine that if right now if I have the tokens worth $2 million, the token is going to be worth $2, it's going to worth $4 million. The token is going to worth $3, it's going to worth $6 million, and my dividend every year is going to keep going up because I own a lot of token. And that's how the beauty of what we have here. Your stocks keep going up, your dividend also keep going up. So for those of us who have patience and understand the business that we are in, you're going to be super, super wealthy. But those people that they like kaya, they want quick. I'm sorry if they miss it because they don't understand how to create wealth. Creating wealth is not overnight. Like I said, see, Warren Buffett started creating his first million at the age of 64. Now he's 90 plus years old and he's worth 103 billion. It did not happen overnight. It happens as the years goes by. Okay. So for those of you who are new, please register for free, and also use our services. Even though the other people don't want to be part of a business, promote anyway. So we're going to start our own DTS money that is available in Europe. Soon it's going to be available also around the world. Our own Nuba VPN, our own Facebook, UAPRO. Please download UAPRO and Remus.com, Maya, our own artificial intelligence, MyMaya.ai. There's two here. If you download it and then tell your friends and family to start using it, start calling and start using our Maya as like Google. And the next question you're going to ask your friends or family, how would you like to make money while we're talking on the phone? How would you like to make money every time you use Maya? And the next question they will ask you, how can I make money? Buy microunit or buy Maya token before it's too late. Okay, so you can also access the rental of microunits. This is the summarized. Like I said, we can rent it up to 5 6 years, $20 to $500. You can take out your profit every 6 months. 1,000 to 10,000, you can take out your profit every 3 months. 15 to 20,000, you can take out your money every month. Plus, you get by buying 10,000, you get one free microunit NFT. So that is the conclusion of our first, our business overview. But we can go over other things. This is the compensation plan. I'm just gonna go over it very quickly. This is actually in English and Euro, but we have the same concept in the Philippines. Dream bigger, do bigger, achieve bigger. So company already give out over $60 million in commission. And this is how we get paid. Direct bonus, team bonus, matching bonus, rank bonus, fast start bonus, and also digital money, the banking system. The Europe, you get paid already. So this is how it works. You have to enroll for first, and then buy or activate your MNU package or buy the Maya token. And we go by REV system. REV system is our point system. It's 80% the value of your money. So for example, when you buy 3,000, you get 2,400 REV, 5,000, 4,000 REV, 10,000, 8,000 REVs, 20,000 is 16,000 REVs. And this is how it works. Your 15%. So 2,400 REVs times 15%, your direct commission is $360. 5,000 is 4,000 REV times 15%, $600. And 10,000 is 8,000 REVs times 15% is $1,200. And $20,000 is 16,000 REV times 50% is $2,400. If you want to make $1 million, a month, if that is your goal, all you have to do is find people, 5 to 6 people that want to buy $20,000. You're going to get your direct commission, as you're going to get paid also 10 bonus, matching bonus. You can earn $1 million peso in 1 month. Just you're focusing on making $1 million peso in a month. So in our company, you can make small money, large money, or big money. It's up to you. Our opportunity here is unlimited. You can do whatever you want. So how to earn $100,000 the first few months? Actually, the company is giving us 9 months to do it, but I did everything within 5 months. I have extra $100,000. So let's start with step one. Within 30 days, you need to have at least 3 personal sponsors. This is the only one that you need to have 3 direct personal sponsor that in the Philippines have a rev of 375 revs. So each have 125. Then you can become, you can get the commission as the first fast start bonus. In the US and in Europe, at least $3,000 to get the $500 commission extra. Now, I just want to let you guys know that fast start bonus is not mandatory; it's only optional. But I highly recommend you should do your fast start bonus because that's the fastest way to make money for you. So the second step is the first 60 days. You need to add only one more person. Okay, you need to have 4 referrals with 12,000 rev, and you get another 1,500 commission. Also, in step 3, all you have to do is add one more person. You're gonna become a Ruby. So all you need is $30,000 rev. This time, after your first 30 days, you can count everything that you have in your second line, third leg, fourth leg. Only the first one that you can only count the first 30 people, but the rest you can count the whole volume. So within 90 days, you can get extra $3,000. So in the Philippines, I know somebody before that in one day they become Ruby because they sign up 5 people and they put $7,000 worth of dollars and they become Ruby in one day. In the US, some people already get they can become Ruby within a week. So the step 4 is to become a diamond, and all you need to become diamond is 150,000 rev, and this time you're gonna add 3 more personal sponsor, 8 referrals, and they give you $15,000 extra bonus that month. So when I achieved diamond actually in less than 3 months, in just 2 months time, and I got like that month I earned $30,000 in commission. Actually, I'm very surprised a little bit because that time I didn't fully understand the compensation plan, and I said, "Wow, $30,000 in 1 month." And in that less than 3 months, I look out I take a look all my, because I have double account. I had already started earning more than $70,000 just in less than 3 months. So I said, "Wow, maybe I should pay attention more about this compensation plan." I'm very lucky because I did not miss any bonus because a lot of my friends just follow me. When they saw I put 48,000, I also put 48,000, and so I technically in my first month I could be already diamond because I had 150,000. But because I did not fully understand the compensation plan, it took me over 2 months to become diamond, and then I become actually blue diamond within 3 months in the business. It's over 3 months to become diamond. Diamond is 30,000 rev. Actually, in my 3 months, I already have over 20,000 revs. But like I said, I did not understand it, so it took me over 3 months, but it's okay. Probably 3 to 4 months to become blue diamond, and all I need is 11 referral. So from the 8, I just added 3 more. Become it. The good part about our company, there's no flash out system, and there's also no demotion. You whatever you have now will never go down. It's just gonna keep going up. I'm going to give you example. For example, I am now a purple diamond in the US. If I decided to take off for a year because I just want to travel around the world, when I come back, I'm still purple diamond. If I if my bread is 3 million, when I come back, it's not gonna be 3 million. It will never go down. It only goes up. So it's not going to stay 3 million. It might be 4 million, 5 million because people keep adding more and more ribs while I'm gone. That's the beauty of our company that other businesses don't have it. Other businesses, you have to qualify every month. You have to keep recruiting people in order to accumulate stuff. Here is different. We get paid this month, The following month, all we do is added more volume, and then we get paid again. That's the beauty of what we have. So that is our compensation plan. And like I said in my when I became a Blue Diamond that month, my commission was $50,000 because I earned $30,000 in hazard bonus, 5,000 in rank bonus, and also have my direct sponsor and team bonus and matching bonus. So that month I made 50,000. So this is all the people that in our team right now that are earning money. They earn from 18,000, 25,000, 50,000, 11,000, 12,000. You know, so we can earn unlimited money in this company. Only depends on you. You know, your belief, and you know, and you're sold out of the business. Nobody should stop you in making money, making millions peso a month, because we have the best opportunity out there that you know it's very very hard to find. This is coming from Stefanos. This is sometimes I think what I would have missed it if I had not decided to start this business that day. So I'm going to show you guys actually at the back office, and also one of our So, you guys have any question before we, you know, I want to share something.
Any question?
Yeah. Ate Ali is very good in answering. Yeah, she knows the business very well. So anyway, I'm going to show you something quick. Somebody is raising their hands. I don't know if you have questions. Anybody have question?
Ma'am Lord, clarify ko lang po yung yung sa $300, 300 euro. Maka-avail po ng U-Card Maya. Ano pa po yung other requirements, Ma'am Euro? Ma'am Lori?
I'm in the Zoom right now. I'm in the Zoom. Yeah, I'm in the Zoom. Asi, I'm in the Zoom. I call you back. Okay? I'm in the Zoom. I'm sorry. Say it again. Asi was calling me. Sorry.
Regarding po, Ma'am Lori, sa para maiwasan po yung technical na problem, like mag-share kami ng mga ideas, yung sa 300 euro na